At the University of Greenwich, preparing you for the professional world is central to everything we do. And from the moment you join us, you can get access to the support that will help you shape your career. A key part of our job is getting you real-world experience to help you to stand out in the job market. Many of our courses include work placements or industry projects, ensuring that you graduate with practical skills and a competitive edge. We provide expert guidance and education, from delivering workshops and lectures to offering one-to-one appointments. We aim to make our services as accessible as possible, and we do that through our online platform TargetConnect.
We work with employers to create meaningful connections to generate ideal opportunities for students, including work experience, placements, internships and insight days.
You can secure work experience through job boards like HireIn. You can also secure opportunities through the University Careers Fair, LinkedIn and also our partner connections. We have a number of university-based roles also that you can apply for. We really do offer every support we can to get you started in your career.
But finding a job isn't just about the work experience that you have, it's about being able to sell yourself in an interview and application process, including having a strong CV and cover letter.
Our advisors offer CV reviews, cover letter help, interview preparation and mock assessment centres.
The employability team helped me understand my strengths and weaknesses so that when I apply for jobs, I don't apply randomly, but I apply in a more specific and targeted way. During my placement, I really understood that doing something meaningful was something that made me really happy, and that's something that excites me as a professional. And I was able to gain a lot of new skills and follow that career path.